Hey, this is a 2019 Summit double loft front den. I've sold dozens of these over the years and it's one of my very best sellers. Tried and true. They sleep about 20 people if you can pack them all in here. MSRP is about $56,000. It's got 2 sleeper sofas, guest closet, plank wood linoleum throughout the entire trailer. It's got your ceiling fan in the den, ceiling fan in the living room, bench seating with storage underneath. Just a beautiful trailer. Double loft. Step down into the master, which is going to give you 5-foot height in the rear loft, about 4-foot height in the center loft. A nice coat closet / pantry, house type rear entry door, summit closet, storage under the steps. Let's go up. Front loft. Rear loft. Back down the steps. Let's check out the bathroom. Hopefully we get enough light in here to actually see something. I don't know. It's pretty marginal. Anyhow, it's got a tub and shower surround. Yeah, it's a little dark in here. You've got the linen closet behind the tub, and over here you have mirrored vanity sink with storage underneath, and we won't dwell on that because you can't see it anyway. Anyhow, this is one of my best sellers of all time. '19 Summit 40 TLFD. Thanks for watching.